Okay. So for today, the topic I'm going to be going over is the scroll snap carousel. Carousel. I don't know why I said carousel. Anyways, so basically, it's just how you can do a carousel in CSS without using JavaScript. It's called scroll snap, and it allows us to do a smooth and native carousel. Feature this feature, it helps us to improve performance and simplifies UI design by letting the browser handle the scrolling behavior automatically. So traditional carousels require JavaScript. Jeez, I guess I can't talk. And they need event listeners. And they can sometimes be buggy or maybe even slower or unresponsive. And it's a hard thing to make and to make responsive. You don't want it to feel off in your scrolling and stuff. And you also have to make sure that the snapping is consistent and that it doesn't mess with any existing UI elements on your page. And even though the ones that rely on that work, they often can introduce unnecessary complexity for something as simple as scrolling through a few items. So that's when scroll snap. That's how that comes in and is helpful and useful. So scroll snap lets the browser just automatically snap to defined positions during scrolling. It tells the browser that when a user scrolls, it should lock onto specific positions instead of stopping between items. So for my example here, boop, just goes into this perfectly fixed position. Just like that. Just by using the mouse, get that scroll effect. You can go backwards as well. It's just a simple thing. So, how it works? Well, it's basically you have a container that defines the snapping behavior, and each item defines where it should snap into place. So, for instance, let me see here. This here kind of shows you like some of the really basic codes of what your code would look like to make it actually work in this way. So if you're building a carousel layout, you just turn a normal flex container into a scrollable horizontal area, and then you just enable snapping so that each item locks into place as a user scrolls. So that, again, it's like you kind of see the code, what that would actually look like. Some of the reasons that's good is because it's really natural on modern devices, because we already use and expect swipe-based navigation. It works really well for something like a mobile device, because you just swipe to the left and to the right on it, and it doesn't require you to tap in a certain area or have buttons or anything like that. Scroll snap, it's used in a lot of modern interfaces where content is browsed horizontally. So that could be anything from like image galleries or products that you're browsing to even like reviews of a product, or just a lot of times like some mobile something. The reason that it can be argued that it's better than JavaScript carousels is because even though JavaScript carousels can offer more customization, it's just really simple and clean and light on something. So that means that you don't have to do all the stuff through JavaScript. You have less code and a faster load time, and it's just put right into the browser, and that's what handles it. But like I said, there are some setbacks, some cons to it. It definitely has less control than JavaScript and less customization, and it doesn't autoplay by itself. You have to actually engage with it to make it do something. But with like JavaScript, you can just make it automatically play out like that. So, sorry. In conclusion, Scroll Snap is a powerful CSS feature, and it replaces the complex JavaScript carousels. Just has a simple native solution, really easy on browsers, and you don't have to delve deep into anything else. You just end up creating a smooth and modern design. This is just another way that we as designers and programmers can create a website with really simple tools and just kind of use them to better something without overloading the website and making it slow down. So, yay.